Hello students, so today we'll discuss the poem from your book Dust of Snow, which is written by the Robert Frost, and it is a very simple and the short poem, yet with a deeper meaning and the larger meaning. The poet explains how an act as petty as experiencing snow on one's body can brighten one's day up. The message of the poem is quite big. So in the first paragraph, the poet is saying, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The poem is set in a scene where the poet is in bad mood and is walking by a tree, a hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is poisonous tree. As he passes by, a crow happens to throw some snow dust on him. Whether it falls on his head or shoulders is unknown, as there is no specific mention in the poem. Also, the readers are left in doubt about the bird's specific action, whether the crow was landing shivering with cold and readjusting itself on the branch or taking off. It happened to send some particles of snow upon the author. Here the two agents of the nature, the hemlock tree and the crow, are signifiers of sadness and gloom, just like the poet's mood was in the opening scene. In the second paragraph, the poet is saying, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. The reason is unknown. The author was having a terrible day, but the falling of the snow on his head lifted his mood instantly. He had already spent his day in a bad mood, but the rest of it was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree. Generally, hemlock tree and the crow are used for negative references, but the poet used them beautifully to portray that the unauspicious things can bring joy and happiness too. One must not take things for granted and should be open and accept whichever way the nature choose to bless us. That's it in this story, in this poem.